How to fix common error in Peacock. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Peacock. In order to fix common error on Peacock, you could start with the basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connection and restarting your device. So what you need to do is actually open up your settings first thing and click open the internet and network section. Here, you want to go to internet section and make sure to refresh or restart. That might be able to help you out as well. Now, while you're on the same page, the settings, you just want to go to the app section. Locate Peacock from the list. Make sure to click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. That might also be able to help. Moving on to the step number 2, you want to go to the Play Store and locate Peacock on the search bar. After which you want to look for whether the app needs to be updated or not. Once the application is completely updated, you might want to restart your device by holding onto your side button, and that can also help you out with fixing your common error in Peacock TV. So these are some of the ways to fix. If nothing works out, then you can simply reinstall the app. That might definitely help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.